Shoulder, inside, and up, inside, and down. Standing, attention. Standing, attention. Now let me be try this. And shoulder up, inside, and up, inside, and down. Steady, attention, and cover up, inside, and up, inside, and down. Steady, attention, steady. Now I have to welcome the speaker to deliver the speech.
And very warm good morning to you all, respected principals, sir, vice principals, sir, teachers, brother, sister, and my dear friend. As you all know, since Sarvani Gautam from grade 7 standing in front of you to say about my memorable day. My memorable day was when I went on a tour with my family. We reserved a microbus. Visit started with Chinnamasta temple. We stayed in Dhaka that day. Next day we went to Kanyam. We saw beautiful tea gardens. We clicked a lot of photos and went to Pashupatinagar, which is border to India. Next day we went to and while returning we went to Janakpur. We were able to see the night aarti of Janaki temple. Next, in the final morning, we went to Jaleshwar temple and went to local bazaar of Janakpur. These 5 days were memorable days in my life. I got chance to visit new places with my family and got blessings from famous temples of Nepal. Thank you.
Greetings and a warm good morning, respectful Vice Principal Sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. My name is. It is a pleasure standing in front of you today to say to tell you a short story about the fly. Before I start my topic, I would like to thank the organizers who have organized this type of program that helps to boost the confidence level of the student. Without delay, I would like to start my story. Have you ever noticed a fly? Have you ever noticed a fly trying to get out of a clear, transparent window? If so, then have you ever noticed it trying to get out from the same way, even though the other side of the window was open all along? It tries to get out desperately, panicking as time passes on. It panics and panics until it panics and pushes itself against the window, trying harder and harder, each time. It tries and it tries that it tries and it tries, but it fails yet again and again. It dies trying and like that. The moral of the story is that you should not panic and you should believe in yourself and think outside the box sometimes, because it is necessary to think outside the box to get out of a situation or to achieve success. Thank you and have a nice day.
आदरणीय प्रधानाध्यापकज्यू, सभा प्रधानाध्यापकज्यू, गुरुवर्ग तथा मेरा प्यारा साथी भाइ बहिनीहरू, आज मेरो कथाको शीर्षक हो टाप्री र माटोको डल्लो। एका समयमा टाप्री र माटोको डल्लो बीच धेरै दोस्ती थियो, तर बिस्तारै बिस्तारै उनमा घमण्डको उत्पत्ति भयो। एक दिन टाप्रीले भन्यो, यदि मैले तिमीलाई वर्षामा छेकेको हुन्थेन भने तिमी पानीमा मिसेर समुद्रतिर बग्थ्यौ र तिम्रो अस्तित्व मिट्थ्यो। त्यसपछि माटोको डल्लोले भन्यो, यदि हावा बगेमा मैले तिमीलाई रोकेको हुन्थेन भने तिमी उडेर कता जान्थ्यौ र तिम्रो पनि अस्तित्व मिट्थ्यो। त्यसपछि उनको दोस्ती टुट्यो र एक दिन धेरै पानी परेपछि माटोको डल्लो पानीमा मिस्यो र समुद्रतिर बग्यो र त्यसको अस्तित्व मिट्यो। त्यसपछि एक दिन धेरै हावा बगेपछि टाप्री उडेर ज्वालामुखीमा खस्यो र त्यसको पनि अस्तित्व मिट्यो। यस कथाबाट हामीले कहिले पनि घमण्ड गर्नु हुँदैन, घमण्डले विनाश ल्याउँछ भन्ने प्रेरणा लिन सक्छौँ। धन्यवाद।
Let's cover up. Inside, hands up, inside, hands down. Stand is attention. Stand is attention. Hands cover up. Inside, hands up, inside, hands down. Stand is attention. Now, if you wait for my space.